when you are in this moment where finally you feel like there are no thoughts and where you are, you don't know, this is actually the moment to be in that moment, to really stay there. Because when you stay there, then you really start recognizing yourself as consciousness, the Bewusstsein. Otherwise, you only recognize yourself as the body, as the mind, as your name, as your description, as your relations with others, you being a father, you being a son, you being the head of XYZ. But there is no moment where you really know yourself, you really see yourself who you really are. Only in these moments when everything is settled, if the thoughts are there, they're not bothering you, but you are there. It's kind of watching yourself in the mirror where you see there is no shape, there is no form, there is no time and space, and you're just there. And it's not that your consciousness is altered and you are, having psychedelic experiences. It's very normal part of a normal consciousness, the way we are. And in order to experience that on regular basis, to give in your life few moments where you experience that, grounds you, anchors you into your truth, of who you really are. And then you can go out and do whatever you're doing otherwise in your daily life, but with this sense of truth, who you really are, and it transforms the entire experience of your life, and not just those few moments where you're sitting and wondering, where am I and what am I doing?